Hi, good morning. I am Divya from SNS College of Technology, belong to the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to see about the IoT system architecture under the topic in Unit 2, microcontroller and interfacing techniques for IoT devices. Today we are going to see introduction to Arduino. What is Arduino? Arduino is an open source physical computing platform which is a small microcontroller board with an USB plug based on a simple I/O board and a development environment that implements the processing writing language. Arduino can be used to develop standalone interactive objects and it can be connected to software or computer. It is easy to use for both hardware and software. It is intended for students, artists, designers, hobbyists, and anyone who tinker with the technology. It is programmed in Arduino programming language (APL) and similar to C and C++. It is more easy to program compared to other microcontroller languages. This Arduino is a microcontroller platform, not a microcontroller. Why we are using Arduino? It is a open source both in terms of both hardware and software. It is also cheap. USB connectivity will be there, more powerful than basic stuff, and simple and easy to use. These are the different types of Arduino board that we are using. Mostly we are using an Arduino UNO, Arduino Mega, Arduino Micro, Arduino EMKR 1000 and Flora. These are the different boards that we are currently using in IoT technologies. Coming to the hardware component of Arduino, typically microcontroller board with an input-output pins which can be used to connect the various electronic components such as sensors, LEDs, motors and displays. Arduino boards come in various sizes and specification to suit different project requirements, from simple blinking LED experiment to complex robotic objects. While coming to software, Arduino provides an integrated development environment that allows users to write, compile, and upload code to the Arduino board. The Arduino programming language is based on wiring and it is relatively easy to learn and even for those new to the programming or electronics. This is the Arduino board that we are currently going to see. It has a reset button and a, digital pins to connect a C program that can be connected to the sensors, and a microcontroller Artmega will be there. There contains an analog pins to connecting input, and there will be power supply for input and output components and power jack to give the power supply to Arduino board. We can directly connect the USB port to upload the program from computer. Hardware structures of Arduino UNO, it contains a microcontroller, 14 digital pins, 6 analog pins, power supply, power jack, USB port and reset button. Microcontroller is the central processing unit of an Arduino. Digital pins, there are 14 digital pins on Arduino UNO which can be connected to the components like LED, LCD, etc. And in analog pins, there are 6 analog pins on the board. These pins are generally used to connect sensor because all the sensors generally have analog value. Most of the input components are connected here. There will be power supply. Power supply pins are IO or EF, ground, 3.3 volt, 5.5 volt, V in are used to connecting sensor. Because all the sensors generally have analog values, most of the input components are connected here. Power jack, it will power, it is an external power supply. It can be connected via an USB cable and USB port will be there. This port function is to program the board or to upload the program. This program can be uploaded to the board with the help of Arduino IDE and USB cable. There is also a reset button. This is used to restart the uploaded program. This is the components of a UNO board, and this is I have mentioned here every each and every pin of a component that are connected in the Arduino board. Here we are having a VCC, ground, and a reset button. Each and every pin is expanded here. This is a sample program to blinking and LED blinking. Here we have mentioned the pin mode LED built-in as output, and we have to write a digital write as high so that the LED will turn on. There will be some delay will be given there, and after that digital, right, LED built-in is set to low, so we have to turn the LED off by making the voltage low, and also there will be delay will be there for a few seconds so that we can view the output. Thank you.